Okay, today I am going to teach you about articles and determiners, and it is your chapter number 5. Actually, articles come under determiners, right? Okay, now first of all, let us try to understand what are determiners. Determiners are words that is placed before a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Okay, for example, give me some sugar. Okay, in other words, determiners are words that we place before a noun to limit the meaning of the noun. Okay, for example, give me some sugar. Here, some, the word some is a determiner and sugar is a noun that refers to. Okay, so give me some sugar. How much sugar I want? Some. Okay, some sugar. So it limits the meaning of the noun. Okay, so determiners are words that we place before a noun to limit the meaning of the noun. Okay, so determiners are of many types. It has 6 types. We have determiners are articles, demonstratives, possessives, interrogatives, distributives, and quantifiers. So there are 6 types of determiners that we are going to learn one by one. Okay, number 1, articles. We all know what are articles, right? A and the are called articles, and a and n are called indefinite articles. A and n are called indefinite articles because they do not particularize any person or anything. They always suggest any. Okay. For example, if I say give me a book, you can give me any book, English 1 book or grammar book, story book, any book. Okay. So article A and n is used before a singular countable noun. Okay, and article A is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound. Okay, here B is consonant sound, so a book. Here a European lady. Here E, it is a vowel letter, but sound is Y sound. Okay, here Y sound, U sound. Okay, so it is a European lady. Okay, a 1 rupee 100 note. Here it is vowel letter, but the sound is W sound, 1. Okay, so a 100 note. A university. It also starts with vowel letter, but the sound is Y sound. So university. So the article A is used here. Okay, article N is used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. Okay, so here N umbrella. Here N umbrella is vowel sound. So article N is used. Here N MP. Okay, MP M is a consonant letter, but the sound is M. Okay, it is M. So vowel sound. So article N is used here. N MLA. Okay, this is also consonant consonant letter, but the sound is M, so N MLA. Now N SMS. Okay, S consonant letter, but sound is S AS. Okay, so it is vowel sound, so article N is used. Okay, so article A is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound, and article N is used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. Okay, now article the. Okay. The is called definite article, and we use article the when we refer to a particular person or thing. Okay. For example, if I ask you, give me the book which you bought yesterday. Now you cannot give me any book, right? You cannot. You have to give me the book, the particular book that you bought yesterday. Okay. So article the is used when you want to particularize something. Okay. And article the is also used when we mention a noun for the second time. Okay, for example, if I say I bought an umbrella yesterday, an umbrella, first time mentioning. Okay, umbrella is a noun, first time mentioning, so an umbrella. We don't know which umbrella, but second time when I mention the second time, the umbrella is very beautiful. Okay, so article the is used when you mention a noun for the second time. Okay, and there is a list, a long list. Okay. When to use article the in your book, you can read from your book. Okay, article the is used with nouns which are names of unique things. Okay, the examples: the earth, the sun, the sky, the moon, and before the superlatives. Okay, the tallest building, the youngest singer, the star and before the words like first, second, third, okay, the first row, the second row, okay, the next row. And article the is also used before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. Okay, a long list is given in your book. Okay, when to use article a and an, and when to use article the, a long list is given in your book, and I want all of you to please you read it for yourself. Okay, you will understand it by reading it. Now the repetition of article the. Okay, the singer and the lyricist were present at the occasion. Number one sentence in first sentence, and second sentence, the singer and lyricist was present at the occasion. Okay, here in first sentence, the singer and the lyricist, meaning in this sentence it is talking about two persons. Okay, one is singer and the other one is the lyricist. Okay, and second sentence, the singer and lyricist was present. It is talking about only one person. He is both singer and lyricist. Okay, so when the article is repeated, it indicates something. Okay, now let us learn omission of articles. Articles a and the are omitted before names of substances and abstract nouns used in a general sense. Okay, for example, here sugar is sweet. Here sugar is used in a general sense. Okay, so no article is used here. But if we want to particularize it, then we can say the sugar. Okay, the sugar which I bought yesterday was very good. Okay, and here beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty, abstract noun. Okay, here this beauty is used in a general sense, so no article is used here. But if we want to particularize it, the beauty of the child or the beauty of the queen attracts all the people. Okay, the particular beauty of the queen. Okay, so no article is used before abstract nouns. No article is used before substances. Okay, but only when we want to particularize it, then only we can use article the. Okay, now let us learn omission of articles. We do not use any articles before some proper nouns like name of a country, name of cities, name of people. Okay, we do use articles the before some proper noun like sun, moon, okay, earth, the sun, the moon, the stars, before unique things. Okay, before unique things that is one of a kind. Here, India is also a proper noun. Okay, it's a unique. It's one of. There is only one India, right? Sanjay, there is only one person, Sanjay, in this whole universe. So India, Sanjay, they are proper noun, but we don't use any article before name of a country, name of cities, and name of place, and name of a person. Okay? And we also don't use any articles before the names of meals. Okay? Here, dinner has been served. But if you want to if you want to particularize it, then only we can use article the. For example, if you say, the dinner you served yesterday was so delicious. Okay? When you want to particularize it, then only we can use article the. Right? Okay, we have learned articles. So now we have learned articles, now we will learn demonstratives. Okay, demonstratives, what are these, that, this, those. Okay? This, 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 it is used with a singular noun with things which are near to us. For example, this book. Okay, this book is good. That book is not that good. Okay, that is used with things which are far away. Okay, this, this is used with plural nouns. Okay, and those is used with, it is also used with plural noun with things which are far away. Okay, so these are demonstratives. Demonstratives are used when you want to point something directly. Okay, this book, this man, or that man. Alright. Now possessives. Possessives are my, his, her, their. Okay. Possessives, we use possessives when you want to show position. Okay. So my book. This is my book. This is my car. This is their house. Okay. That is possessives. And now quantifiers. Okay? Quantifiers, we use quantifiers when you want to show how much or how many, how little. Okay? Examples, the words are some, any, much, many, a few. There are many more. I have written only a few here. Okay. Here the word some and any, they are used with both countables and uncountable nouns. Okay. Some is used in affirmative and in interrogative sentence. For example, affirmative sentence, I have some vehicles. Okay, affirmative sentence. In question, okay, do you have some money? Right. So any is used in negative sentences and also in interrogative sentence. For example, do you have any pen? Or in negative sentence, I don't have any money. Okay. So they are used, some and any, they are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. Much, okay, much is used it is used only with the uncountable noun. For example, uncountable nouns are sugar, rice, right, oil, water. Okay, I have eaten much rice. Okay, so it is used only with the uncountable noun denoting quantity. Many is used with uncountable nouns denoting numbers. Okay, I have many friends. Okay, I have many vehicles. Okay. Few, a few, the few. Okay, there are few, a few, and the few. They are used with countable nouns. Okay, and few, the word few has a negative meaning. Okay, if I say I have few friends, means hardly one. Okay, it has a negative meaning. A few has a positive meaning. If I say I have read a few books on this subject, means I have read some, even though not many, but some, okay, at least some. The few, okay, it means all of it. Okay, for example, I have read the few books you gave. Okay, whatever book you gave, I read them all. Okay, so few, a few, and the few is used only with countable nouns. Little, a little, the little is used. They are used only with uncountable noun. Okay, again, little has a negative meaning. If I say I have little knowledge on this subject, okay, means hardly anything. Okay, a little has a positive meaning. If I say I have a little hope of success, okay, though not much, at least some, up to some extent. Okay, the little is all of it. Okay, the little money I earn, I spent all. Okay, all of it. Okay, so little, a little, the little, they are used with uncountable noun denoting quantity. Okay. Okay, now we will learn distributives. Distributives are either, neither, each and every. Okay, we use distributives when we want to show distribution. Either is used to indicate any of the two persons or things. For example, you can use either pencil, anyone, okay, any one of the two. And either is also used to refer to both things or persons. Okay, for example, there are tall trees on either side of the road. Okay, neither is used to mean just the opposite of either. Okay, not the one nor the other. All right. Okay, neither of you can go, meaning you cannot go nor the other one. All right. Okay, now it's. We use it's to indicate things separately one by one. Okay, we use each when we refer to a small number or when the group is limited and definite. For example, each student of the class, okay, the class was given a prize. Each member of the team was given a prize. Okay, so each, the word each takes singular verb. Okay, don't forget that. And every also takes singular verb, and every is used when you refer to both people and things as a group. Okay, we use every when the number of people or things is large and indefinite. Okay, for example, every room was painted. We do not know how many rooms. Okay, every seat was occupied. We don't know how many seats. Okay, so it is how each and every is used. But remember, each and every takes singular verb. Okay, now we will learn interrogatives. Determiners which are used to ask questions are called interrogatives. Okay, what's a what, which, whose. Okay, for example, what book do you want? Okay, determiners always go with a noun. Okay, what book do you want? Which book do you want? Whose house is this? Okay, these are called interrogatives. Okay, so today we have learned different kinds of determiners. They are articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, distributives and interrogatives. I hope you have learned something today. And now I want all of you to please read through your book, whatever the explanation given in your book, when to use the articles, when not to use the articles, and all these determiners, okay, explanation are given in the book along with the examples. You read through it, you will understand it more, okay? So study hard, stay at home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.